All right, this is case number 2347-877. This is Manchester Owners LLC versus Land Harrison. The matter is before the court on an adjourned date of hearing. The parties did submit to the court a proposed consent order of conditional dismissal. The court has signed that order, and this matter will stand dismissed under that particular order that the court has signed. All right, this is case number 2347-880. This is Cityside PO LLC versus Fabian Stewart and other occupants of property at 2701 East Lafayette, number 6. The matter is before the court on the filing of a complaint for non-payment of rent. Your appearance for plaintiff at this time.
Carolyn Cohen, P49391, appearing. I'm in 2 courtrooms right now.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Ms. Cohen. Is Fabian Stewart on the Zoom? Stewart. Anybody at the address on East Lafayette, apartment number 6? Stewart?
Yes, Fabian Stewart's here.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Stewart.
Yeah, they're involved in 2 courtrooms now, but yes, they're interested in EDP.
Mr. Stewart, you have you had an opportunity to speak with a lawyer regarding the matter that you have in front of me?
No, I haven't had the time. No, I haven't.
All right. All right. So I'm going to get you with someone that can discuss your rights with you and
okay.
Put you in room in that regard. This is the first hearing date of this matter, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to also go ahead and adjourn your matter until a future date. Your lawyer will discuss your options with you, and then at the next date, you'll come back and we'll figure out how far along this case has come. So I'm going to set that date over for us.
Can you repeat that again?
Yeah, I'm going to set that date for December the 16th at 9 o'clock a.m. December 16th, 9 o'clock a.m. You'll zoom back into the number that you zoomed into today, right?
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Which case was that?
That is a Suffolk 7880. City versus Fabian Stewart. Mr. Stewart is on the Zoom. He's going to speak with a lawyer. I've set a new date on the 16th of December at 9 o'clock a.m.
Okay, and who's he going to speak to so I know?
That's what we're working out now. Who's going to...
This is Esther Harris on Lakeshore Legal Aid, P83394.
Thank you, Attorney. All right, Attorney Esther Harris is going to speak with him, Madam Counsel.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Okay. And Ms. Cohen, are you interested in EDP for this client?
Sure, I can do EDP.
Okay.
Very well. So, Ms. Harris, I'm going to send you to speak with Mr. Stewart, and I'm going to put you in breakout room number 1 in that regard. Mr. Stewart, you'll receive the prompter in just a moment, sir.
Anna, can you send Carter Oslet with me as well?
Will do.
Henry, did you need to observe? No. Okay. Yeah, just Carter.
I believe I have one. I have a couple more.
All right, then we'll get to those in a moment, Madam Counsel.
Sorry to interrupt, but Mr. Stewart, do you see a blue box that says?
Yes, you hear me?
Yeah, click the blue box that says breakout room.
Thank you, Counsel.
Okay, the tap.
Yes.
Okay, I'm speaking now.
No, you should have got a prompt that says join breakout room 1.
Okay, it's not popping up. I don't see it, but not popping up.
Yeah, it should be there, sir.
Check at the bottom of your
You hear me
screen.
though, right?
You should have some options, like participants chat, breakout room reactions.
Yes,
Touch your screen.
the voice is going in. It's going in and out.
All right, there should be a prompter there that says join breakout room 1. On your options, there should be something that says join breakout room 1.
Yeah. Let me see if I can find it.
All right, sir.
Okay.
All right, this is case number. Yeah, this is case number 23-4-6886. This is IRENT Detroit Property Management versus Bridget Gershom and other occupants of property at 13173 Elmdale. The matter is before the court on an adjourned date of hearing regarding the complaint for non-payment of rent. Your appearance, counsel.
Your Honor, it's Justin Smith. My P number is 51886.
Thank you, and I see that Miss Bridget Gershom is here as well, and good morning to you, ma'am. All right, is there someone representing Ms. Gershom?
Your Honor, I can speak to that. Attorney Alyssa Petroni had been chatting with me. She's in another.
Good morning.
And good morning, Ms. Grisham. Your Honor, Ms. Alyssa Petroni is in a different courtroom, but all we're doing is we're requesting the briefest possible adjournment. EDP is processing and we're in the final stages of that. So if we can have basically the soonest control date, we'd appreciate it. And I do have Attorney Alyssa Petroni's authority to enter the stipulation for an adjournment on the record and to obtain the date, and I'll report back to Attorney Petroni on it.
Very well, counsel. I will grant, as you requested, I'll set the matter over for the 30th of November 30th, and we'll set that for 9:30 a.m. It is a control date. There is an anticipation that this matter will be resolved through the EDP protocol.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll pass that information on to Attorney Petroni.
Appreciate it, counsel. Good day to you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Stewart, I see that you're still struggling. Mr. Stewart? Mr. Stewart, are you hearing me now? Mr. Stewart?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am.
All right. Now, what's going to happen now is
Yes,
that
I
you're
hear you
going to
now.
get. Okay, you got to get another prompter. When you get the next prompter, I don't want you to go to that one. You got to get a prompter for room 2, but then I'm going to switch you back to room 1. I just want you to see that happening in real time. So just hold tight there.
Okay.
Now I'll tell you when to click on. Just hold tight, then I'll tell you when to click.
Sure, you have to look at the
All
phone. Look at the phone.
Now look at your phone.
There's no one signing it, but I'll
And now
sign
you
it.
should be able to click.
It does say see attached order, so I guess that would be fine. I just want to make sure the numbers are correct.
Now,
The total is $2,567.
Yes. Yes, click join now.
Yes.
Okay, excuse me, this is Bridget Gresham. Am I through?
You are all done. You got your new date, right?
Yep, November the 30th, but I didn't catch the time.
The time is at 9:30, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Good day to you.
You too, bye-bye.
Your Honor, do you have a phone number in the file for Mr. Stewart?
I don't have his file in front of me right now.
Mr. Did he leave?
Yeah, look like
Okay, I'm gonna go check in breakout room 1, see if he's there.
All right, maybe he made it there, huh?
Yep, he's in. Carter just let me know he's there, so.
All right, perfect, all right.
Did Ms. Gresham get an attorney?
Yes, sir. Ms. Petroni is the attorney on that matter.
Okay.
That's the return they did in the EDP. The court now calls 23-4-6603 and 23-4-7884 in strike that in 603, this is Manchester PO versus Nakia Brown and other occupants of property located in the city of Detroit at 2016 East Jefferson, apartment number 401. The court also, in regard to 884, that's River Place Apartments versus Shantanique Jenkins and Jacob Myers and other occupants of property at 500 River Place Drive, apartment 5149. Counsel for the plaintiff, your appearance at this time.
Morning, Carolyn Cohen, P49391, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you. Regarding 603, your appearance for defendant in that matter, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Indra from Lakeshore Legal Aid, 384364, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Thank
And
you.
I'm Nakia Brown. I'm here as well.
Thank you very much, Ms. Brown. And I see where you are there. All right, Ms. Indra, you may proceed at this time with updating me in this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. We would like to enter into a conditional dismissal. The case has been resolved through EDP, and my client is going to get the rental assistance through EDP, and she will have a reminder of rental arrears for 3,191, which will not be covered by EDP, but she will get into a payment plan for 12 months to pay out that rental arrears, Your Honor. I have actually emailed the copy of the conditional dismissal to the Madam Clerk today morning. So it should have reached her.
All right. You said you got it to the court, or you sent it to Ms. Cohen?
I have sent it to Ms. Tammy.
I
Madam.
signed it, Your Honor.
All right, all right. And Ms. Brown, you are in agreement with the resolution that's been reached in conjunction with your attorney on the other side, ma'am?
Correct.
All right. So I'm going to sign that order of dismissal, closing this matter out, and then you will go forward based upon the terms of that agreement. Understood, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, all right. It is so ordered. I will sign the order upon its presentment. I haven't formally received it yet, but once I have, I will sign that order.
Okay, thank you.
And it's been indicated that I do have the order now, so I'm signing the order.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Tammy.
You're welcome. Thank you, Indra.
Thank you.
What's your name? You know what? Hold on. Let me put you at the clerk's office and they can help you. Hold on.
There should be another page or something.
She can't make a mistake.
I don't mind. Regarding the suffix 84, strike that 884, do I have Ms. Jenkins on the Zoom or Jacob Myers? Any of those persons on the Zoom? If you are, please say something at this time.
Jacob Myers is here, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Myers. I do see you there, sir. And let me ask you, have you spoken with anyone regarding this case in terms of ways that you might resolve it, your rights and that kind of thing, sir?
Not as of today.
All right. All right, so...
I'm sorry to interrupt. This is Indra.
You may, at this time, Ms. Indra.
Your Honor, this is Indra from Lakeshore Legal Aid, and I would like to represent Mr. Myers.
All right. All right, so what I'm going to do then is place the two of you into a breakout room to discuss the matter. You'll be able to talk with your attorney privately, Mr. Myers. And I'm going to go ahead and set the 16th of December as the next action date in this matter, 9:00 a.m., December 16th, 9:00 a.m. That's when Mr. Myers will zoom back in, the attorneys as well. And if there are EDP considerations, it will give the parties some time to begin that process if that comes up in this context. All right?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
No, that's
if Miss Indra could, I have to be in another courtroom, so if she can, we have our contact information. If she just emails me, I can go ahead with the EDP.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I went ahead and set the date, so
Thank
you're
you
all
so
set.
much.
And you'd just be in contact with Ms. Indra. All right, and
No.
I'm gonna set you.
I'm sorry, sir. That was 9:30, December 16th. Is it the same courtroom we're in as well right now?
Exactly. You're coming back to see Judge Coleman, same number, everything that you have there, okay?
I thought
Now-
you said 9, is it 9 o'clock or 9:30?
9:30. I set your other one, Ms. Cohen, at 9:30, so I'm putting them both together.
Okay.
Same time, on the 16th
Thank you.
of December. Okay? All right, so Mr. Myers, you're going to go speak with Ms. Indra now, and I'm going to put you in breakout room number 2. Is anyone else going there, Ms. Indra?
Miss,
I should have my legal. I'm just trying.
I'm available
Okay.
to go as well, Your Honor. Mr. Adams.
Say something again. Where are you? You said Adams?
Henry Adams with Lakeshore Legal Aid, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Adams. I got you, sir.
Thank you.
wasn't that Jacob Myers?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Marie Rimmers, Reimers. Heard this morning and she said that she was representing him.
Ms. Rimmers, are you representing him, or Indra says was going for Ms. Indra? Who's
Yeah,
going for
yes,
Ms.
Your Honor. There was a mistake.
Yeah.
That was a mistake.
Okay, got it.
We're from the same agency. We're both Lakeshore Legal Aid, so
Gotcha.
it's just who was
All right.
assigned.
Yeah, but you have different P numbers, so you're not representing him?
Indra's going to represent him.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Rimmers.
Yep.
Hey, Dave, just a second. Yeah. Do you have these two? I don't know. I can't. If you want to, go right ahead. Look all over. Sweet.
Stop, Tim.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good.
Do they have court dates?
Yes, it's on the go.
Oh, no, not you.
Well, see, you
I was talking to her.
anyway.
Do they have court dates?
No.
All right.
Wait, yes, the 16th.
Today?
This is case number 2346245. This is Argo Property Management LLC versus Cartina Owens and occupants of property located at 7503 Queen. The court also calls the suffix 6350 Argo versus Felicia Singleton regarding property at 13902 Wickham. The court calls the suffix 2751. That's Ravine Abagun versus Alan T. Janice and other occupants of property at 8145 Wickham Street. Your appearance for the plaintiff in these matters at this time, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harrison Galack, P number 76452. Here today on behalf of all the plaintiffs you just named.
All right, thank you, counsel. And your appearance for Ms. Owens, if you're on the Zoom, please. All right, I understand Mr. Michael Lamb, Mr. Lamb, I see Mr. Lamb is connecting, and he's on the first two matters for the respective defendants. I see that with regard to 2751, this is an application for writ of restitution. Do I have Alan Janice on this phone, on this Zoom?
No, Your Honor, but
Yes.
yes, you do, and you also have Miss Petroni as well.
All right, Ms. Petroni, your appearance at this time, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Alyssa Petroni, P82293 from Michigan Legal Services.
All right, thank you. Ms. Petroni, update me on this, if you will.
Yes, so we're in the process of pursuing EDP with this matter. We have all the documentation collected from the defendant, just waiting on some of the documentation from the plaintiff.
Your Honor, my client completed that application this morning. I'm going to send it to Miss Petroni this morning. We should be going through the EDP program in this manner. So we would request an adjournment at this time.
All right. So I'm thinking to set the 30th of November. Have you began the process already? The 30th of November, is that enough time, or do I need to put it out as I would normally put out EDP program?
Your Honor, I would suggest perhaps a little bit longer than that. I just want to make sure that we don't have to reappear on this matter. But anytime, if you want to do later in that week or maybe the 7th, that would all those dates would work for me.
All right. All right. Let's set it over for the 7th of December at 9:00 a.m. The ideal here is that EDP protocol should be completed by that time. And if not, it's just a matter of review.
Your Honor, can you change that time to 10, please?
That time's going to have to be changed to 10 o'clock a.m. So it's December 7th, 10 o'clock a.m.
No problem, Your Honor.
Is that for 2751, Judge?
That's correct.
Okay, thanks.
All right, Mr. Lamb, I see Mr. Lamb is yet trying to connect on the two other matters that you have, counsel. For some reason, I guess he's having a little bit of connection problem. So
yep.
The matters are up. So as soon as he's able to connect, and I'm coming to your two.
Your Honor, did you get the conditional dismissals in those matters?
I did not.
Okay.
But is that the nature of these matters, that there are conditional dismissals that the parties have agreed upon?
Yes, Your Honor. We did, with Mr. Lamb, our office did agree to some conditional dismissals. We are just going to be submitting dismissals to the court right now, and I will email those to your clerk if you don't mind, and you can just sign those if that works for you.
Sounds good. And of course, Mr. Lamb already knows, or you'll let him know that the court has signed the orders. Now, the court will sign the same in the suffix 6245 and 6350, and the court will sign those orders upon their presentment.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. A great day to you as well, sir. That's real peculiar looking. All right, this is case number 23465557. This is City Place Properties versus Rhonda Glass and other occupants of property located in the city of Detroit at 9221 Granville. The matter is before the court on the filing of a complaint for non-payment of rent. Your appearance at this time, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomas Kralk here on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right, thank you, Mr. Kralk. Do I have Rhonda Glass on the Zoom, or any person residing at the property on Granville? Rhonda Glass, or any person residing at the property on Granville, say something at this time. All right, it does appear that this is the first hearing. It also appears that the defendant has not appeared at this first hearing.
Your Honor, if I may interrupt. Your Honor, I believe this is the second hearing, and I believe Alyssa Petroni is the counsel of record. She's not, it doesn't appear as though she's in the courtroom, but we had discussions earlier today in which we've agreed to adjourn the matter so that the EDP paperwork can be processed.
All right, and has that process started, or are you going to begin that process starting now?
So,
that's just for the purpose of the adjournment.
Yeah, no, the process has started. Ms. Petroni indicated that her coworkers are working on the EDP calculations.
All right, very well. So I'll go ahead and set it over for.
Couple of weeks, 3 weeks?
Well, no, we're going to set it in a week of the 14th. Let's set it for the 17th of December, 12/17.
Okay, I think that's the one that you got 60 something.
At what time, Judge?
Just one moment. That's what I'm working on the time. 12/17 at
10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock a.m.
Thank you very much, Judge. Good to see you.
Thank you. And you'll let Ms. Petroni know the date and time.
Yep.
Thank you.
Coleman is dedicated to help
Thank you,
tenants
Judge.
who live in Detroit, Hamtramck, and Highland Park. The state of Michigan has created eviction diversion program to help keep residents in their homes. Eviction diversion provides rental assistance and
Mr. Lamb, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I called the two matters that you are on, and I understand that there are orders of dismissal being submitted on those two matters, and so I indicated that I would sign the orders upon submission of voluntary consent orders of dismissal. I should indicate. That correct, sir?
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. That was my understanding of how these matters are going to be resolved as well. Just wanted to make sure that I was here to see the process through. Always a pleasure, sir.
Always my pleasure. I saw you trying to connect over and over and over again. I said something's going on there. So we went ahead and put that information on the record, and so I'm awaiting the orders, and I'll sign those voluntary orders of conditional dismissal.
Perfect.
Good day to you,
I
sir.
appreciate you, sir.
All right, this is case number 23-47891. This is Carla Robinson versus Julia Cifuentes and other occupants of property located at 12824 Steel Street, unit number 1. Your appearance at this time, counsel? Do I have Mr. Lavasser, Mr. Dyer?
Mr. Flexman.
Fleshman.
Burns, make us some water for the judge. And he
And we'll recall Mr. Lavasser is in the Zoom. All right, do I have Mr. Sagati or Mr. Abbott, Mr. Sagati? Mr. Fleshman, are you handling Sagati's matter?
Yes, yes. Yes, he is handling for Sagati also.
All right, Mr. Fleshman, if you're there. Mr. Abbott?
Abbott working.
Okay.
Your Honor, this is Esther Harris from Lakeshore Legal Aid.
Good morning again to you, ma'am.
Good morning. We finished the intake with Mr. Stewart. I didn't get a date. I know you were adjourning it.
Right.
Case ending in 880.
Yeah, I thought I said a date. Let me make sure that.
12:16, Judge. 12:16 at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 12:16 at 9 o'clock a.m., Ms. Harris and
Okay.
Mr. Myers.
So,
Got it, Ms. Harris.
Are you able to do a Tuesday or Friday? Those are Tuesday or Friday. Those are days that Lakeshore is with you.
Got you. So yeah, we'll move that to the 18th, December 18th, 9:30 a.m.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, appreciate it.
No problem. Mr. Stewart, did you get that date? Is he still on? I'll get it to him.
All right, yeah, you'll make sure you get that information, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Do I have Mr. Landau anywhere? Mr. Fleshland? Just waiting on some plaintiff counsels.
Okay.
Thank you.
So Judge, do you usually use the week at a glance book or the black or the month at a glance?
Whichever one you like.
Actually, I got you both because I didn't know which one. Huh? Okay, well, you got both. How about that? And I just want you to know that Miss Finch was no help to me.
Wow.
What do you mean, well?
No,
I did all the work this morning, Judge.
You did all the work.
I did all the work this morning.
Well, that'll be your first.
Right, okay, okay. Y'all gonna miss me.
Scared.
You know,
Until I got here.
it's better. It's
Where's
better late than never.
Hey.
Where's
Was that Ninja? Oh, yeah.
Birds?
Yes.
I lost my pencil. Come on.
Where's Mr. Landau though? Oh, oh, oh.
I'm not getting anything from Mr. Fleshland. And I don't see Mr. Abbott, and Mr. Landau is in another courtroom. I know that means the other ones are likely in the same situation.
Yeah, Fleshland said he had a couple courtrooms.
Right.
Oh, Landau went to, Miller's courtroom. It'll be
Right,
back
right, so-
shortly. Oh,
Uh, Your Honor, do you have a minute?
Yes.
This is Indra from Lakeshore Legal Aid. With regards to case 7884,
Is that one I called already, or?
yes, that's correct. So we had the case adjourned for December 16th. Would you be able to make it a Friday or a Tuesday? Because that's when the Lakeshore Legal Aid is on the docket.
Right, yeah, got to correct that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put it on Friday, the 18th.
Okay.
What was the last three,
And
Judge?
give me the last three digits again, Ms. Indra.
884.
884. And that's going to be at 10 o'clock a.m.
I would update my sister council on that.
All right, I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Going to be the 18th at 10 o'clock?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Yep.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is Alyssa from Legal Services. I've been on several cases, but I'm staffing Judge Jones Coleman's courtroom today. I believe potentially one of the final one would be Miss Harris. And this is a case with Mr. Sagati. I can give you the case number.
Right. And Mr. Fleshland is standing in for Mr. Zagat.
I'm here right now, Your Honor.
All right. I kept calling for him as soon as you said something, Mr. Tony woke up there. All right. This is case number 234689. This is 18091 Roselawn, LLC versus Shakaya Harris and other occupants of property located at 18091 Roselawn apartment, first floor, it says. The court also is calling 6976. That's Sam Property Management LLC versus Denise Rogers and occupants of property at 7634 Chatham. All right, counsel for the plaintiff, your appearance at this time, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, may it please the court, my name is Dennis Flesland, P30289, appearing on behalf of the plaintiffs, standing in for Mr. Sagati, who is the attorney of record.
Thank you, sir. And I know that Ms. Harris is on the Zoom as well.
Shakia, yes, I'm here. Shakia.
Yeah, I got you. Thank you, ma'am. All right, and your appearance on behalf of Ms. Harris at this time, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alyssa Petroni, P82293 from Michigan Legal Services.
Thank you. And this is in regard to the suffix 890. And you may at this time, Ms. Petroni, update me regarding this matter.
Yes, so the parties are pursuing the eviction diversion program in this matter. I have all the paperwork from Ms. Harris. I am just waiting on the paperwork from the plaintiff in order to finalize the application and submit the application for the calculations. So we're just requesting a brief adjournment just to finalize.
Jamie Sweeney here, plaintiff for 18091 Roselon. I have submitted all the documentation Friday to Mr. Sagati.
All right, that would mean that it hasn't gotten to the defendant so that they could defense counsel so that they can resolve all the numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and grant the adjournment so that that process can be completed. I'm glad that this has moved along. The date that Ms. Petroni, you're going to be back anyway on the 18th of December. We can bring it back sooner than that. We can bring it back on the 4th.
The 7th, Your Honor.
Oh, the 7th. I'm sorry, the 7th of December. And let's see if this is taken care of by that time and everything's resolved.
And that would be a Monday.
So no, it's got to be a Tuesday, the 8th, because.
Well, today is Monday.
Oh yeah, okay. Can you come back on the 7th, Ms. Petroni?
Yes.
Okay, all right, yeah, so it'll be the 7th. The 7th of December.
At 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock a.m.
That's good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Sounds good to me as well.
All right, good day to you, ma'am. All right, good day to you, Ms. Sweeney, as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Joe.
Hi, I'm trying to figure out if I'm in the right courtroom. They put the wrong number, the wrong meeting ID number.
All right, so yeah, let me see, what's the last three digits on your case?
It is 911.
911?
I
Let's
was
check.
in the meeting room that they gave me. I was in there for 45 minutes.
Are you
Like,
Shaquila Mako?
Mayhem? Yes, I
Yes.
am. Yes.
Okay, you're in the right courtroom.
You're in the right place now, ma'am, and
Okay, thank you.
we'll get to your matter.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hello. My name is. Hi. Excuse me, Your Honor. Pardon the interruption. My name is Corinne Banks. I also had a wrong ID number. I just received the new ID number from the courtroom that I was previously in.
No problem. Let me have the last three digits on your case, ma'am.
915.
All right, just 1 second.
Yes, you're in the correct courtroom now, Miss Banks.
All right, thank you, Ms. Banks.
Okay, thank you.
We'll get to you in just a moment. That happens sometimes. Sorry about that.
Thank you. No problem.
And Your Honor, did you call 976 as well a minute ago?
Of course, sir. Do I have Denise Rogers on this Zoom? And anybody living at the address on Chatham Street? Denise Rogers, or anybody on Chatham Street?
Your Honor, our records show that she was represented by a Mike Lamb, attorney.
All right, and Mike Lamb was here on two other matters, and I thought those were his only two matters. I told him that we had resolved those matters with dismissals. That was involving Attorney Harrison Galak. So he may have thought that this was resolved. The problem here is that his appearance is not in the file.
Okay.
So let me see if we can.
What? No, did the defendant respond when you called her? I didn't.
No, I don't have a response from the defendant at this time. Excuse me one moment.
Okay.
Burn.
Yeah, Mr. Featherston.
Was Mr.
Who was that saying that?
I was going to say I can take care of that with, or on the back of Michigan.
Could everyone put their phone on mute, Miss Banks?
All right. Yeah, but you,
All right, Mr. Flesland, only thing I can think is that we can try and reach out to Mr. Lamb. I guess he anticipated on this one that there would be a dismissal as well. Do you know what the status is of this particular one, sir?
Your Honor, the information that I have is that Mr. Lamb and Mr. Sagatti had spoken, and that the defendant had moved out of the property, had vacated the property, but there was some dispute about some other issues, and that the parties were going to have her confirm on the record that she had vacated the property, and then enter a default judgment against the other occupants, I think, Your Honor.
All right, so here's what I'll do. I'm going to go ahead and adjourn this over until Thursday. And we're gonna have someone reach out to, Mr. Lamb. So we'll adjourn it over till Thursday and set it at 9:30 a.m.
Okay, Your Honor.
Is that this Thursday, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. November the 19th?
November 19th at 9:30 a.m.
This
Right.
one? This another
No,
one?
that's another one.
Okay.
All right, so.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
So this, we need to reach out to Mr. Lamb because he was here earlier to let him know that that's the new date on that.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
I saw Mr. Abbott. Are you still there, sir? I'm waiting on Mr. Landau. I'm also waiting on Mr. Lavasser or Mr. Dyer.
Your Honor, I'm also covering the Lavasser Dyer in your courtroom this morning.
Oh, now that's refreshing to know. All right, this is case number 2347891. This is Carla Robinson versus Cifuentes and other occupants of property at 12824 Steel Street, unit number 1. The court also calls the suffix 7907. Decor Properties versus Erica Boyette and other occupants of property on Warwick Street, 19373. The court calls the suffix 7911. That's Shaquila Mahan and other occupants of property at 20053 Griggs Street. The court calls the suffix 7915. That's NFH Properties LLC versus Corrine Banks and other occupants of property at 15914 Hayden Street. The court calls the suffix 7919. That's NFH Realty LLC versus Richard Barnes and other occupants of property located at 18215 Biltmore Street. Finally, the court calls 7923. That's NFH Realty LLC versus Legetta Collins and other occupants of property located in the city of Detroit at 20245 Maynard. Counsel, your appearance regarding these matters, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, may it please the court. My name is Dennis Flesland, P30289. I am appearing on behalf of the plaintiffs in those cases, and I'm standing in for I'm representing the Lavasser Dyer law firm this morning, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, counsel. And as I go further, do I have any attorney that is already on any of these files for any defendant at this time? If so, enter your appearance, please. All right, very well. And I know that there are certain persons that are here, so let me ask about the ones that I do not know if they're here or not. So some of you I know are here. Regarding Julia Cifuentes, 7891, are you on this Zoom? Say something if you are. All right, this appears to be the first hearing regarding this matter. And under the Michigan Supreme Court order, the court will grant an adjournment of the first hearing in this matter and will set this matter over for, that's going to be about
3 weeks, Your Honor?
well, first,
2?
no, at least 3 weeks, yes.
December 7th
December the 7th
at 10 o'clock.
at 10 o'clock a.m. will be the next action date on this matter.
Will that be referred to the door knockers as well, Your Honor?
Absolutely, absolutely correct, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry, can you repeat, Your Honor, please?
That's the date for the hearing on that matter is December the 7th at 10 o'clock a.m. All right.
Is she Julia?
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I get the name of the person representing NHS Realty, please? I didn't get his last name.
Flesland, F as in Frank, Lessland, P30289.
830289. Thank you.
30289, correct.
Okay.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Corinne Banks. I'm at the property at 15914 Hayden, Detroit, Michigan.
So what are you asking about that other property for?
Oh, I wasn't. I was assuming that I misunderstood. Pardon the interruption. I'm sorry.
No, don't assume anything. We'll take care of you. We'll get to you in just a moment, ma'am. You gotta deal with your case. You're under 7915. So just a moment. We'll get to you in just a moment. Do I have Erica Boyette at 7907? The case number is 7907. Erica Boyette at Warwick Street. If you're on the Zoom, say something.
Yes, hi, good morning, Your Honor. This is Erica Boyette.
All right, thank you, Ms. Boyette. I do see where you are. All right, and have you spoken with a lawyer regarding this matter to advise you of what your rights are and opportunities regarding this case?
I have not.
All right, so we want to start there, Ms. Boyette. I want to give you an opportunity to talk with someone, and I have lawyers available to talk with you. So I'm going to set you up to talk with somebody now. Who's available to talk with Ms. Boyette?
I am, Your Honor, Marie Reimers, P82841, on behalf of Lakeshore Legal Aid. Henry Adams is available to an intake with Ms. Boyette.
All right, thank you. And Ms. Boyette, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Reimers and Mr. Adams. You'll be able to talk privately with your lawyers. I'm going to go ahead at this time and set a new date in this matter. That date is going to be set for December the, what is it, with the return on the EDP?
The 3-week thing?
No, no further.
Oh, okay. December 21st?
December the 21st of 2020, and that's going to be at 9:00 a.m. That's going to be your next date, Ms. Boyette, and counsels, that's going to be the next date for court. At this time, Ms. Boyette, I'm going to send you to a breakout room to speak with your lawyers privately. Afterward, you'll be able to leave the Zoom. Just realize that you come back on the 21st. Between now and that time, you'll be speaking with your lawyers, and they'll tell you what you need to do to go through this process. You understand, ma'am?
Okay, yes, I do. Just one quick question. On the 21st, I go into the same Zoom?
Yes, everything's the same. All right. So you'll get a prompter for breakout room number 3 in just a moment, ma'am.
Okay.
What time is that one, Judge?
That one's at 9:00 a.m. on the 21st. All right, Ms. Boyette, you should have that now. All right, so I know that I have on the Zoom, my next case is Ms. Mahan regarding 7911, and I see that you're there. Say your name for the record, please.
Tequila Mayhem?
All right, thank you, Ms. Mayhem. Ms. Mayhem, you live at the property on the on Griggs. Is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
All right. Have you spoken with an attorney, anyone that could give you some advice and direction regarding the matter that you have in front of you, ma'am?
No.
All right, so I want to start there. This is a non-payment action, and I'm going to give you somebody that will speak with you regarding your legal rights in this matter and ways that you may resolve the case. I will go ahead now and set your case over for December the 21st at 9:10 a.m. That'll be the next date that you'll Zoom back in with the same number to come back to speak with me. Between now and that time, your attorney, yourself, and the other side will attempt to get this all worked out. And so I'm going to send you to someone to talk to right now. Who's available to talk to?
Your Honor, this is Esther Harris from Lakeshore Legal Aid. Can you place me and Mr. Oslet in the room with the client?
I will do so. Ms. Harris, you already have a break. What number did I put you in? Was that 1?
I was in one, but I had to leave out, jump over to another court, so I don't have one anymore.
All right. So let me see where I can
but Carter may still be in 1. Mr.
Yeah,
Oslet.
Mr. Oslet still has number 1. I see that Mr. Stewart is still in that breakout room.
Oh, wow.
Well, Mr. Carter, I'm going to start out by moving you for now to number 4. Ms. Harris, I'm going to send you to number 4 as well.
Okay.
And then I'll send the client there to number 4, just so we don't have anybody else in there. Right. And so, Miss Ma'am, that's where you go into number 4. You'll see the prompter in just a moment.
Okay.
And there it is. All right, and now I'm addressing the suffix 7915. That involves Miss Corinne Banks on Hayden Street. And Miss Banks, I know that you are on this Zoom. You do live on Hayden Street, is that correct, ma'am?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. And Miss Banks, have you had an opportunity to talk with to talk to anyone regarding your legal matter, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm going to set it up for you to talk with someone regarding this this non-payment complaint, and I'm going to go ahead and set your date for the 21st of December at 9:20 a.m. The 21st of December is when you'll be coming back to me. 9:20 a.m. again. And now you'll get a chance to talk with a lawyer. You can go over they'll go over what your rights are and discuss possible ways that this case may be resolved. Understand, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. All right. So, Ms. Indra, are you available to talk to Ms. Banks?
That's correct.
Attorney Indra is going to speak with you, and so I'm going to put you in a breakout room now. Ms. Indra, I believe you are in number 2.
That's correct.
Yes. All right. And so, Ms. Banks, you're going to be going to breakout room number 2. Ms. Indra, anybody else coming there with you?
I do not see any of them. I can go into the breakout room with the client, and probably someone else can follow up with her later when they are available.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. So, Ms. Banks, the prompter is there, and Ms. Indra, you already have your prompter. You can go back now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
I know I have on this Zoom, let's see. Do I have on the Zoom Richard Barnes regarding the suffix 7916? Richard Barnes. If you're on the Zoom, please say something at this time. Richard Barnes, if you're on the Zoom, please say something at this time. This is the first hearing date. It appears that the defendant has not appeared regarding this matter pursuant to the Supreme Court's administrative order for adjournment of first hearings. I will adjourn this first hearing and set it over for that.
December 7th.
December the 7th,
At 9:30?
2020 at 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. is the hearing time on that matter.
Will you call in one for Abby?
Yes.
Is it 809?
All right, and then regarding the suffix 7923, I'm addressing now Legetta Collins. Legetta Collins. You are Legetta Collins of the property on Main Street. Say something at this time. Legetta Collins or person living at 20245 Main. All right, it appears that the defendant has not appeared regarding this matter. It is the first hearing. The court accordingly will set the matter over for the 7th of December. And that time is going to be
9:40.
9:40 a.m. 9:40 a.m. That's the next action date on this matter.
Okay. Very good, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Fleshman.
That should complete me in your courtroom for today. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely. Have a good day, sir.
You too, sir.
All right, I see a Mr. Ray Gibson. What case are you on, sir?
Levon Temple.
I'm sorry?
It's the Levon Temple.
All right, correct. I've got that one. That's case number 2346921, Kidd Associates LLC versus Levon Temple. And it looks like this is an adjourned hearing date on this matter. So the attorney has been in and out of this courtroom because he has some other courtrooms that he's in. Are you represented by counsel? Has anyone spoken with you, sir?
Yeah, something about the EDP or something program.
Yes, sir. And so do you have an attorney assigned to your case as of yet? Someone?
Yes, I spoke to someone.
Who did you speak to?
I can't remember her name right offhand, but she called me yesterday.
Okay. Have you heard her in this Zoom at all this morning? Did you hear me call her name or?
What case is that, Judge?
I'm not sure. My phone is going dead. I'm not sure though.
AP Alicia Petrona.
Oh, you spoke to Miss Petroni?
I think so. I'm not sure.
All right. So very well. She's in a breakout room with someone, so you spoke to her on the phone, or you spoke to her in court on a previous occasion?
I spoke to her on the phone yesterday.
Okay. All right. So just try to hold tight for just a moment. I know you said your phone's going dead.
Yeah.
So
I've been on here since like 9, so I'm got like 1 bar left. I'm trying to see if it's gonna charge.
Gotcha. So let me give you this information. The next date that you would be coming back into the Zoom would be the 21st of December. That's when you'll be coming back, the 21st of December. And that's going to be at Elizabeth Petroni. Alicia Petroni.
Okay. But it's no plaintiff attorney?
The plaintiff attorney is Mr. Abbott.
Oh, okay.
James Abbott.
All right, so 10 o'clock.
What,
9:30 a.m.
10 o'clock?
Yeah. 10 o'clock a.m. on the 21st of December. You can hold on in the Zoom if you wish until Ms. Petroni come back in to try and talk with her, but if anything goes wrong, you know that's when you'll be coming back to see me. And
okay, because I don't know if my phone's going to stay alive.
yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. I hope that you can make it. If not, Ms. Petroni will be informed of that date as well, and she'll be in contact with you as you've already began that process.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
And I see Marcelona Bradford. I see that identification. Is that your name, ma'am?
This my daughter computer, but that's why I'm using it. But my name is Maya Martin.
All right, just thank you, Ms. Martin. Just one moment. And you live at property on Justine Street, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and that is case number 2347927. That's Logical Property Management LLC versus Maya Martin, and occupants at 19409 Justine Street. The matter is before the court on the filing of a complaint for non-payment of rent. And have you had an opportunity, ma'am, to speak with a lawyer or anyone regarding your legal rights in this matter, ma'am?
No, I'm about to make a payment this week. My worker won't help me make a payment.
All right. All right, so what I'm going to do is, I don't know why your device is so loud. If you could, I don't know if you could turn it down just a little bit. You're booming this morning.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry.
That's better. That is definitely better. Okay. So I'm gonna get you to a lawyer that you could speak with regarding this entire matter. And I know that you may very well be getting it completely paid off. But just so you go over what your legal rights are and any potential programs to resolve the matter, and you can explain or discuss with your lawyer what has happened with your engagement with your worker as well. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So let's do that. Let's do that right now. I'm not going to set a date just yet because I'm awaiting Mr. Landau in this matter, and you may very well have this worked out. I want you to talk with a lawyer to at least go over that and tell her what your plan of action is, right? So, Ms. Reimers, are you able to speak with Miss Martin at this time?
Yes, I am, Your Honor, and Mr. Adams is available too.
All right, very well. So I'm going to send you with them. I'm just making sure I got the right identification here. Okay. All right. So you're going to be going into breakout room number 3, and Mr. Adams and Ms. Reamer, you can go back to that location now because you already have the prompter. And Ms. Martin, I'm clicking for you to go to that breakout room right now. And there's your prompter.
Okay.
So I see you there on Galaxy Phone A20. Who are you, ma'am?
My name is Shamika Williams. I'm at residence 16110 Bringard Drive, Detroit, Michigan.
All right, I have it, ma'am. That is case number 20347931. This is Logical Property Management versus Shamika Williams and Shadana Williamson, and other occupants of property located at 16110 Bringard in the city of Detroit. All right, and good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
It looks like your the attorney case is in another courtroom, and so I wanted to know, have you had a chance to speak with anyone regarding your legal rights in this matter, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right. So, Ms. Williams, I'm going to set it up now so that you can speak with someone regarding the complaint for non-payment of rent regarding this matter, and they'll advise you as to what your rights are, as well as programs and opportunities that may be available to get this resolved. I'm going to go ahead right now and set your next hearing date for the 21st of December. That's going to be at 10 o'clock a.m., December the 21st. And then right now you get a chance to go in and talk with a lawyer that you can go over your rights with and be ready on the next action date. Now, my lawyers are out talking with other people right now, so I'm going to come right back to you, and then you'll get a chance to go in and speak with someone and go over this matter so you'll know which way you should go forward. Understand?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'll be right back to you, Ms. Williams.
Your Honor, did you already call 923?
What was
Loretta Collins?
Yes.
Okay, she was having trouble zooming in. She's coming in now.
All right.
Did we do that one?
Yeah, I said it. That's one of them that we set over for the 7th, and Mr. Fleshman is gone.
Okay.
But
do you see her?
I don't know. I don't see Ms. Collins.
Okay.
Not yet.
Let me see if I can.
We can get her in to speak with a lawyer once she's back in.
Judge Coleman's courtroom, may I help you? Is this Ms. Collins? Okay. 360-432-0000. You need 4 zeros on the end. Okay. And okay.
All right. Now I see it. Terry Motley Smith. Who are you, sir?
I'm Terry Motley, Senior. Terry Motley Smith is here. We occupy the dwelling of 20038 Manor Street.
Just one moment, sir. Yes. All right. So what's the last 3 digits on the case number?
What's the last 3 digits on the case number?
Yes, ma'am.
920.
920.
That's fine. Yeah. Just one moment, sir.
Oh, that's okay. I was just saying to let me know when you get here, but I'll see you on the screen when you pop in, okay? Bye-bye.
920, suffix 920.
Judge, is it possible to get that complete number from him?
All right, we need a little bit more information. Can I get that complete case number? Starts with 20 dash.
347920, Your Honor.
That's
Yeah.
Jones Coleman.
Oh,
Jones Coleman.
you're in the wrong courtroom. You're in the wrong Zoom. So you're gonna have to Zoom into another courtroom. So you go with your Zoom starts at 360, and then the middle three numbers are going to be
437.
437.
No, 436.
436000. So what you're going to change about the paperwork that you have is you're going to go to 436 instead of where you are now. You're in my courtroom 432. You're going to go to 436, and you likely got something putting you in my courtroom, because sometimes they mix it up because there's two Colemans. There's a Lady Coleman, and then I'm Judge Coleman. So you want to go to 436. 436 is the only thing you have to change.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, sir.
Yep.
Okay, now Ms. Collins is here.
All right. And I do see Ms. Lejetta Collins. Let me see her file. And we're back on the record in the 203-47923. That's NFH Realty LLC versus Lejetta Collins. Ms. Collins, I see that you're there. Say something to me. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. And Ms. Collins, previously we set your case over for the 27th of December 2020 as a second hearing date. But I want to give you an opportunity to talk with a lawyer regarding this non-payment action, because it may be eligible for eviction, diversion, et cetera, and other programs. So I'm likely going to go ahead and change that date from December the 7th to December the 21st, 2020 at 9:40 a.m. That's when you're going to Zoom back in, same number and everything, December 21st at 9:40 a.m. Now, right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you speak with an attorney regarding the programs that are available that can assist you in regard to this matter. And then once you spoke with that lawyer, you know that everything is already on track. You won't have to come back into the Zoom. You'll be all set for your next date. You understand, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So just hold tight for a moment. I've got a person in front of you that's got to see a lawyer, and then right after that, I'll get you in to see someone.
Okay, thank you.
What's the case number?
All right. So, Ms. Williams, I'm going to see if someone's available to speak with you now regarding 7931, and the bringer and address is non-payment action. Is someone available to speak with Ms. Williams at this time?
Hi, Judge. Sorry to interrupt. This is Erica Boyette checking back in. I was on the line with Henry Adams and I got disconnected. Is there any way you can send me back to him?
All right.
Yeah, it's not in the system.
Let me do that right now, Miss Adams. Miss Boyette, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
All right. Breakout room number 3.
I don't know if because my name is not coming up, I still haven't had my case called, or it's just not my turn yet.
We'll see if it's your turn. Just don't be interrupted when your turn, and it's going to be 50 lashes.
I'm sorry.
I'll get to you. I'm coming to you in just a moment, ma'am. I'll find out who you are. All right. Miss Boyette, did you get the prompter, ma'am? Ms. Boyette? Let's see if she's there. All right, Ms. Williams, I'm trying to find someone for you to talk to. So just give me a moment. And Ms. Collins, of course, I know that we're finding someone for you to talk to as well.
Okay, thank you.
All right, on the iPhone there, it comes up as an iPhone. Tell me what your name is, ma'am.
Jacqueline Davis.
All right, Miss Davis, I have your case in front of me. It's 2034789. It's a Logical Property Management LLC versus Jacqueline Davis and George Davis and other occupants of property on Greg Street. And that's where you live, is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, thank you, Ms. Davis. And Ms. Davis, have you had an opportunity to talk with anyone regarding your legal rights in this non-payment case, ma'am?
Yes. Last week I talked to someone with Lakeshore Legal Aid, and they told me a representative will be on this call with me, but I haven't talked with anyone today, or I'm not sure who's here.
Your Honor, this is Indra from Lakeshore Legal Aid. That is correct.
All right, and Ms. Indra, are you able to talk with Ms. Davis? She says she's already connected with Lakeshore.
That's correct, Your Honor, and I will be representing her.
Okay.
And we would like to proceed with EDP if the opponent counsel is willing to participate in EDP, since this is a non-payment of rent case.
All right, and Mr. Landau is not in this Zoom. Well, I guess he is here now, but he's indicated, I believe, a willingness to participate in the same. Let me see if I can get Mr. Landau in. Mr. Landau, are you hearing me now, sir? All right, the case is Logical versus Jacqueline Davis and George Davis. And Mr. Landau, are you able to enter an appearance at this time?
Mark Lando, P42790 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you. Your client is not opposed to EDP regarding this matter on Grigg Street with Ms. Davis, Jacqueline Davis?
All my clients are willing to participate in EDP.
All right, so Ms. Indra is going to be representing Ms. Davis in this regard. I'm going to go ahead and set the date return for December the 21st at 10 o'clock a.m. That gives time for the parties to walk through the EDP process. All right.
Thank you.
So Ms. Davis,
what time, Your Honor?
That's going to be 10 o'clock a.m. on December 21st. And Ms. Davis, that's the time that you'll zoom back in. And Ms. Indra, are you going to speak with her in the breakout room, or are you already in the process of moving this forward, ma'am?
I can speak with her in the breakout room, Your Honor.
All right. All right. So, Mr. Landau, that's already set over for the 21st. And I would indicate to you, sir, that the suffix 931 involving Shamika Williams is going to be set over for the 21st of December as well. The suffix 923 is going to be set over for the 21st of December as well. Those are your matters, sir. And you also have 927. That's going to be that one. Well, I haven't set a date yet because the defendant is speaking with a lawyer, but she indicated that she was her worker was going to set up a payment. So once I find out what the status of that matter is, that's again 927, then we'll either set a date, or it would look like that would be something that would be likely dismissed. So we're waiting for her to come out of the breakout room on that particular matter. All right.
Very good. Your Honor, really quick, can you tell me who the attorney is on 931?
I don't know yet because Miss Williams is waiting to speak to someone, so I haven't put her in with anyone yet. That is, and with regard to the suffix 923, Miss Jetta Collins, she is also waiting to speak to someone as well, and so I don't have attorneys on those as of yet.
Very good.
All right, regarding your suffixes 899 and 930, those matters I have not addressed yet, and I will address those momentarily, sir.
I also have 895 as well.
That one is set for the 21st of December as well, and they're all set in the 9:30 to 10 o'clock a.m. Hour.
Very good. And do we know who the attorney is on 895?
There is an attorney. Do we have a note? Indra is on that one as well.
Okay. I asked
All
because, Your Honor, I might as well get to the
Yes.
attorneys, the ledger and the lease so that they can have a more informed conversation with their clients.
Absolutely. And what I've done is on each of those matters that we dealt with, I told them that that Mr. Mark Landau is the attorney on the other side. So we've tried to begin to bridge that already.
Right.
All right, Joe.
Thank you.
So, Ms. Indra, I'm going to send you with Ms. Davis. The date is already set, the 21st of December, 10 o'clock a.m. is the next action date. And Ms. Davis, I'm going to set you up to talk with Ms. Indra for a moment here. The process is underway. And Ms. Indra is in breakout room number 2. She's going to return there. And Ms. Davis, I'm sending you there to speak with her as well as with Mr. Adams is in another room. It's just you, is that correct, Ms. Indra?
That was just me.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, do I have, this is case number 2347-899 and 903. That's Logical Property Management LLC in both matters in 899 versus Adrian Arrington and occupants of property at 8331 Whitcomb Street regarding the suffix 903. That's the defendant is Todd Douglas and occupants of property at 12653 Riverdale. And your appearance regarding these two matters, counsel.
Mark Landau on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right, thank you, counsel.
Todd Douglas.
All right, thank you, Mr. Douglas. I do see you there, sir. You live at the Riverdale address. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
All right. And sir, have you had a chance to speak with anyone regarding your legal rights and opportunities that may be available to resolve this matter, sir?
The whole court session I've been on the phone with so they just sent my file to somebody and I guess they're gonna chime into the session.
Okay, real good, real good. So I'm gonna have you to talk with someone as soon as they do that, so that we can get this process moving forward. I'm going to go ahead and set your next date for December the 21st, so you'll have that information. And we're going to set it at 10 o'clock a.m. December 21st, 10 o'clock a.m. That's when you'll zoom back in. Now, sometimes the parties get it all worked out and you don't have to, but that's the control date in case anything goes wrong. You'll be able to come back in on that date for the next hearing. You understand?
I do understand. You say December 21st. What time?
10 o'clock a.m.
All righty.
And just hold tight as soon as someone, who you were talking with Lakeshore, is it?
Yeah, Lakeshore. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we'll get you hooked up with somebody in just a moment in this regard.
All right, sure thing.
All right, so just hold tight.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, so there was someone that indicated to me that they had talked to Ms. Petroni. Who was that told me that?
It was a gentleman.
It was a gentleman.
It would probably be Mr. Levon Temple.
Yes, Temple.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Is he gone already? What happened on this?
Wasn't his phone messed up?
Oh, yeah. Ms. Petroni, what I did is I went ahead and gave him the 21st of December to back as the next hearing date. He indicated to me that he had spoken with you and that this was an EDP type matter. The attorney on the other side also indicated that they were willing to go through EDP in this case. And so I went ahead and set it in the EDP protocol. So he's aware of the next action date, and so that's where that case is at this point. His phone, he said he was on the last pound and he didn't think he was going to make it, so that's what happened there.
Okay. So just to confirm, that was adjourned to December 21st?
Yes, and I think it was 9,
10 o'clock.
oh, it's 10 o'clock, 10
10
o'clock,
a.m.
Mr.
Okay.
Trump. All right. Now,
Okay.
Mr. Todd Douglas is on this Zoom. He indicated that I believe he spoke with someone at Lake Shore. Is that correct, Mr.?
That is correct.
And they told him that someone would be here to speak with him. And this is a non-payment action, the suffix 7903. Are you prepared to speak with him at this time?
So, Your Honor, I'm Michigan Legal Services, not Lakeshore. So Lakeshore, I believe, is staffing your courtroom today. I'm actually in Judge Coleman.
Gotcha, Mr. Jordan. All right, so we'll, Mr. Douglas, as soon as one of them come back in, I'll get you to someone that you can talk to. I'm sorry, I had you mixed up there. I knew better.
That's okay. You know, and what I can do is I can chat Mr. Douglas the UCHC intake number in case Lakeshore can't assist him today. So
okay,
I will chat him that right now before I leave your courtroom.
All right, thank you, sir.
Excuse me. If it's just an intake, yeah, I'm available to do an intake if that's all that's needed.
All right, and that's for Lakeshore, correct?
Yes.
All right, so Mr. Douglas, I'm going to set you up with Mr. Oslet at this time.
I believe they did intake already. Is that the phone call where they just take all your information, right?
Yeah, I can check if we have you in our system already.
Okay.
Yeah, he's gonna check the. You want me to put you in a breakout room and speak with him? Yeah, he's connected to all the resources and the lawyers at Lakeshore. So let's go ahead and put you in a breakout room with him so he can find out where everything is. He can connect to the internal system and let you know exactly where things are. You understand, Mr. Douglas?
Yes, I do.
All right.
And Your Honor, and Mr. Oslet, am I pronouncing that right?
Hi. Yeah.
Oslet. I've already emailed the lease and ledger to Indra. Is there another email address I should send that to?
If Indra has it, then I can get it from her.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm sending you to breakout room number 4, Mr. Douglas. That's where Ms. Oslet is going to be.
All
you have the prompt now, sir.
Your Honor, just so I'm confirming this, and does that conclude all my matters with you?
The only one that is not concluded is the 899. That's Adrian Arrington regarding property on Whitcomb. Do I have Ms. Arrington on the Zoom? It appears in that matter that the defendant has not appeared. Accordingly, the court will adjourn this matter and set it for the 7th of December at 9:30 a.m. That's to give the door knockers an opportunity to try and get this person in. So December the 7th at 9:30 a.m. is the next action date on the suffix 899.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Good day to you, sir. And Ms. Williams, I haven't forgotten you. I know that you're waiting. I'm waiting on attorneys to come out of the breakout room. I haven't forgotten you as well, Ms. Collins. And Ms. Martin. What happened on Martin? That's just up as 927. What'd you say, Deborah?
Nothing. Mears was speaking with her.
Oh, yeah, right, exactly, right, thank you.
Guess I needed after all, huh?
Okay, so Ms. Shamika Williams needs to speak with someone regarding a non-payment action under file 7931. And also Ms. Collins needs to speak with someone under 7923. Ms. Collins, plaintiff in that matter is Vassar Dyer's office, represents the plaintiff in the 931 matter Mr. Landau represents the plaintiff. All right, so who's available to speak with either one of these persons? Ms. Williams is the first in line.
I'm available to speak with her, Your Honor. Henry Adams.
Look like
Sure.
All right, looks like you're the only ones up right now. So, Ms. Williams, I'm going to send you with Ms. Indra and Mr. Adams to speak, and they're going to speak with you regarding your legal rights. The date is already set on this for December the 21st at 10 o'clock a.m. It's the next action date. The plaintiff has expressed interest in EDP. So
Which one is that, John?
that's the suffix 931. So, Ms. Williams, I'm sending you now to breakout room number 3, actually number 2. Ms. Indra, you can go back there, and Mr. Adams, I'm putting you in number 2 as well, and then Ms. Williams, I'm going to put you in number 2.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And the date on that one was December 21st, John?
That's correct.
And that's at 10 o'clock?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Where'd you get that from? From Booker? Or from his department? Where you get this mask from?
Oh, yeah, from
Your area?
yeah.
Where's mine?
Oh, you need one?
That's a nice one, man.
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
I'm quite sure.
Do she want one? That's the question.
Yeah, do I need one? No, I don't need one.
Cause they'll ask that. You want me to get you? I can get you one.
No, because they'll know that I just said that because the judge got one. I'm good.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
I can sneak in there for you if you want me
Because
to.
the judge got me too today. Oh yeah, you look so cool, Judge. Well, you shouldn't ask me. You know how I am.
You know, with the new rules, I'm glad we went up there for.
Yeah, it's gonna be shut down.
Shut down. Oh, Lord, I said, man, you know, it's something.
Well, I think everything goes into effect Wednesday.
Yeah.
But you know what I don't understand? Okay, I cannot go eat inside of a restaurant, but I can go to the mall.
Yeah. But the mall is spread around and people don't have the congregation.
I have to pass people in the mall.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you wear a mask.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna wear a mask, but it's just the point that I don't see, when you go to the restaurant, it's every other table. You're not sitting.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
but
It's just your
enclosed.
party.
It's enclosed, the ceilings are not as high as at the mall. It's a different thing.
No,
It is.
they don't want to just shut down all the money at one time. They want some money still
The
coming.
mall is a different type of facility.
Yeah, it is. And it's more money spent at the mall than at the restaurant.
Mm-hmm. Just like Sony stock that went then skyrocketed
Right.
because of the PlayStation. So
It's crazy. That's right. Can't close now because everybody got to rush out. They didn't get theirs pre-order.
there you go.
And did you see that GameStop is going to be, I think, just online now?
Yeah, I did see that. Same as Target.
All right, I have one other person that needs to be talked to, Miss Jetta Collins. And if someone is available, that would be it. That would be great.
Your Honor, this is Esther Harris from Lakeshore Legal Aid. I am not able to go in a breakout room just yet with the client, but when one of the clerks come back, they can.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Was that for Legetta Collins?
Yes.
Okay.
That's good, Patricia.
Hmm? Who is that? Oh, that's her? Oh. Not that I'm saying. Yeah.
Your Honor, is Ms. Collins our last one for the day?
Yes.
Okay, and is Mr.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I know Mr. Dyer wasn't here, but Mr. Fleshlinger was
Yes.
here for the. Okay.
Mr. Plessman. And they already agreed that for ADP consideration, and I've set a date of December 21st, 2020 at 9:40 a.m. as the return date.
December
And Ms.
21st at 9:30.
Yes, 9:40. Ms. Collins, what I previously called the matter, I set it for the 7th of December because she had not appeared. She was having some connection problems, but she's here now. And so
Okay.
I went to the common date that we were using. Um,
21st.
So, yes, and so because of the EDP possible considerations.
Okay. Let me see. I'm here, but I'm also in Third Circuit, so I hate to start one but not be able to finish it. Let me see.
Don't start. You stand down and hold your place for Third Circuit.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a practicing lawyer before I became a judge.
Yeah. It's definitely a blessing that I can be in two places at once, but you never know who's going to start where. But I can at least let the clerks know.
Yeah.
Ms. Collins, is your name spelled the way that it's spelled on the screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Collins, I sent you a chat. If you're able to utilize that, can you respond, please? This is Esther Harris from Lakeshore Legal Aid.
Checking now.
All right, Mr. Douglas, you're all set to come back on your next date, and everything is lined up. Is that about the size of it, sir?
Miss Harris, message sent.
All right, Mr. Ocelot, everything is aligned for the next action date, correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, so good day to you, Mr. Douglas. We'll see you on the next action date, and I trust that things will get worked out. Looks like it may be moving towards that direction.
Cool beans. I appreciate it.
All right, sir. All right, good day.
Carter, can you do an intake with Miss Collins? She has sent me her phone number, and we do have an adjourn date. You are on mute.
Sorry. Yes, of course. In a breakout room, or do you want me to give her a call?
Whichever the judge would prefer. It doesn't matter to me.
It's up to you. It looks like the parties started to align things, and numbers are exchanged. Whichever way you want to go, Mr. Ocelot. And maybe I'll ask Ms. Collins. I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, we can see what she prefers.
All right. Miss, where does she go?
Yes, telephone call is great for me.
Okay.
You ready? All right. So they'll do that. They'll do that, Ms. Collins, and you already got your date when you're coming back. All right?
Yes.
So I wish you well, and good day to you.
You too. Thank you.
So, Ms. Reimers, I believe that you spoke to Ms. Martin.
That's correct, Your Honor.
So can you update me on that matter? She was saying that she was going to pay, and I did not see a large amount, a large arrearage or anything. So I hadn't set a date on it yet in terms of adjourning or anything. So
Yeah, Your Honor. So she does have the ability to pay what's due and owing in the complaint. However, she's going to struggle to pay next month's rent, so we're hoping to get her some EDP assistance to get that next month's rent. And I haven't had a chance to talk to opposing counsel. I actually am familiar with who opposing counsel even is in that case. The court. Okay. So if we could get an adjourned date, we're probably going to need 3-4 weeks because of how EDP is being processed.
all right, so I will go ahead and do that. I'll set it on the date that we're using is 21st of December, 2020. And I'll set that at 10 o'clock a.m. on that date.
Okay.
And you have, you or your office have information to reach out to Mr. Landau?
Yes, we do.
Okay, all right, real well. All right, and you'll let Miss Martin know of the new date because she doesn't seem to be back in Zoom at this time.
Yes. Yep.
All right. Well, thank you, Dan. I believe that we're all set. The matter is adjourned accordingly.
Okay.
All right. Well, any matters that any persons need to take up with me at this time? Ms. Harris, your cover portrait. I think it's a great picture. I like it.
Thank you.
See, I called it a portrait.
Yes, thank you. You had to switch
from
the computer to the phone, so the picture switched as well.
That's a real dynamic one. You know, it shows some more aspects of personality. All right. And thank you all for your help today. Thank you for everything that you do to try to make this process go forward. Thank you, Ms. Ream. It's good to have you here today. Mr. Ocelot, you kind of the workhorse today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't realize you were at the end of your docket, or else I would have popped in back from Millhouse sooner to take care of that last case.
Oh, okay. You're still on the treadmill, so go ahead.
Yeah.
All the best to you. All right.
All right. Have a great day.
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you.
I can't shut down because I have people in the breakout room.
Do you?
Miss Indra is talking with Miss Williams.
Oh, okay.
And Mr. Adams is there as well, and then, I don't know why, and Mr. Stewart's still in breakout room 1. I'm not even worried about that.
But everybody has a date, right, Judge?
Yes, yes. So you're good, Miss Deborah? You have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Get ready to get locked back in the house, slowly but surely.
Yeah, I was waiting for him to say it. Just
cool. It's gonna happen.
I'm for it.
It's gonna happen. I think we're gonna get locked back down.
I think this is for little people, huh?
What you say, Judge? Can't understand you.
Oh, your mask?
Right. That's what my mask look like.
Why are you laughing at me? You went when it got it. He went and got it, now he's laughing at me.
See how Burns do you, Judge?
That's Burns to do that. He'll laugh at you. Sure will. I don't know why I thought I was coming to Abbott.
Yeah, they want to lock us down when I got things to do.
We got things to do.
Right, you know?
What you mean? You don't want to be locked down? Oh, I know what you're saying.
It's Christmas time, huh? Or are you gonna try to be locking people down at Christmas
I know.
You know what I was just thinking about, because you know I was telling you
all these rules.
that Randy trying to get the PlayStation 5, right?
Yeah.
Because he messed up. I remember one year when my kids were, you know, like his age, when Randy was a young, you know, kid playing games. And I can't remember which system it was that I kept messing around and I wouldn't get it, you know, and I ended up Christmas Eve at every mall store there was in Detroit.
See, look.
And surrounding areas
I've done that
to
before
get
too.
that system. I mean, I got it, but I was tired.
Had to work your butt off to get it.
You are not kidding.
Yeah.
And so now, this is the first time he's ever not been able to put his hand on what he's trying to do. So now he sees, you know, you see what it's like to be in line at Foot Locker at 5 and 6 in the morning, standing, waiting on shoes to come out, you know?
I'm crazy, ain't it?
It is, because he's like, man, I done called everywhere to try and get this, you know, and I can't get it. I said, well, you know what? It's not like he won't understand. Duda will understand. Tell him you'll get it for him after the course of the year.
Yeah.
It's not no
It's not no rush anyway.
making it a bigger thing than it is.
Well,
Are y'all ready, India?
Huh?
I said, I see Indra is back. I was asking her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And
I'm here.
you ready?
I think they already have a date.
Was that Shamika Williams?
Oh.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
They already have a date.
Yeah, and you have your next date for everything, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. That's December 21st, right?
Yes.
Okay.
At 10 o'clock.
And that's 10 o'clock a.m. Cindy.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right, and I don't have, I know you would like for me to have more cases for you right now, but I don't.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come back tomorrow. We'll have.
Yeah.
No, Wednesday. Tomorrow is light. Wednesday is a zoo.
Oh, is Wednesday the real heavy
Yeah,
one?
Wednesday is bad.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is good.
I'm going to be there tomorrow, Wednesday, and Friday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You'll be with us?
Yes.
Okay, so you said tomorrow, Wednesday, and Friday?
That's correct.
All right, well, I'll send you those dockets.
Okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Ms. Tammy.
Thank
All
you,
right, no
everybody.
problem.
Appreciate you now.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, boy.
All right.
is that it?
Good job.
Yeah. I think I did a good job myself.
I didn't do so well, but you're okay.
All right.
You do so well, but you're okay.
Oh, did she think I was talking about her?
You know, anytime
I don't know what she laughing at.
anytime there's a compliment, she thinks that it's got something to do with her.
Judge, when I came in this morning and turned the system on, she was barking orders at people. Mute your system.
No, I wasn't good.
I told that woman before that she got to display my demeanor.
I was very nice to people.
Yeah, I know that.
Me and Miss Harris.
I'm gonna need you to find out why I can't get to my videos.
You gonna need me to find that out? Wow, did you do what you was, do you need to go over the steps again?
No, you see, what happens now is that it used to be that I would have to click out of, when I go in to get ready to go on live stream, I'd have to click out of 1066 or whatever, because that would always come up. Now, my correct courtroom comes up every time, and I click directly on. But now, for some reason, I can't get to them to delete them. So
you can't get what, Judge? For some reason, you can't get.
I can't get to my videos to delete them.
Ah, okay.
Now, you know what? I know that Ladetta Collins is going to have someone to talk to, but it wouldn't be Miss Harris, because remember Miss Harris said she might have to go to circuit court?
Yeah, what Miss Harris?
Right, it wasn't. But
Right.
it was, whoever she talked to was a student, I think.
Mr. Osler.
Yeah,
yeah.
and they were going to do a phone call.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why I can't get to them anymore.
Huh. Okay, I'll have to make a few phone calls.
All right then, Deborah.
Shut up, then.
What'd you say?
I already know.
Shut up.
I already know. You was getting ready to say something. You was getting ready to say something smart.
No, I wasn't. I really wasn't. Oh, but the red lights are off, so I really could.
Well, I try to protect y'all. I just do the best I can.
Judge, and I appreciate it. It's that Deborah that don't appreciate you.
Y'all take my kindness for weakness.
Is that what it is?
Oh, Lord. I told my cousin to call me at this number. She's